It's a 2019 BMW X3. With its muscle, dashing good looks, and roomy interior, this luxury crossover fuses everyday utility with an elegant demeanor. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.